Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X276A. 34,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seat 6, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms, flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. Silverado is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. And this LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger. Lots of storage space in the dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.